In this video, I'll show you how to add a product to your Shopify store. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Adding products is the heart of your store. Whether you're launching a new product line or just starting your e-commerce journey, start by logging into Shopify and navigating to the product section on the left-hand menu. This is your control center for everything you sell. Click Add Product to open the product creation page. First, give your product a clear descriptive title that reflects exactly what you're selling. Next, scroll to the media section to upload high-quality images of your product. Show multiple angles and ensure good lighting for the best customer experience. Now, select the appropriate category for your product. This keeps your store organized and helps customers find products easily. Next, enter your pricing details. Include the main price and, if applicable, a sale or compare at price to highlight discounts. After pricing, fill in the inventory information. Accurate stock levels prevent overselling and keep your store running smoothly. Then, add shipping details, including weight and other specifics. This ensures your shipping rates are calculated correctly and avoid surprises later. Once everything is filled out, double-check your details. Make sure images, descriptions, pricing, and shipping information are accurate. Finally, click Save in the top right corner. And that's it. Your product is now live on your Shopify store, ready to reach customers and boost your sales.